I just found a new app, but I won't be bothering with it. You have to install it. And I was just fiddling with it. And even though I haven't downloaded it, you can move it, look, see, to put in. So I don't know if that will go there. Clever. And I don't know, I can't see when I'm recording. See, there. I like that. See, that wouldn't go there. Doesn't go. So, oh, hang on. Found that one. I haven't installed it yet. Are we over there? There's something to do in it. It's clever. Over there. That can go over there. Hooray! We're not going to continue. I'm learning a new jigsaw puzzle and trying off with the cats first. If you press that, you can see the pieces left. You can move all the pieces around and even on the pieces that you've built. I've just built this one with the cat. Kind of looks like my cat, so I went for it. You can actually put the pieces, not that one, that's a loose one, back over there if you don't know where you are with them. So if you want them back out, you just press on that and bring them all back out. So it's really clever. I'm doing a cat and a dog. As you can see, the cat, I've made him up, and there's the dog's nose. And to move the pieces around, that's one big piece, you just do that to rotate, and then you just try and find them and join them together, and go from there. So I'm off to try and finish this now. I just thought I'd show you because I like doing jigsaws and I've not done them for a while. So I thought, there we are, see, that one's gone in. Can't pull that one out now because that one's joined. So it's clever. So it's for the iPad and the iPhone. I don't know about the Mac for the iPad. Not the Mac for the iPad, sorry, for the Mac computer, the Apple one. So I don't know if it'll work on that as well, but it's really good. You get different sceneries as well. So anyway, bye. And just about finishing now. Just trying to show you where they will or will not go. So using the way, so he goes there. The end. I really like this app, it's really cool. I don't know what I do if I press on this. I've never tried. Ah, I get stars. And I don't know what this does. Oh, it's gone now. Well, that's my picture done. That looks like my cat, except my cat doesn't have white paws. So it's really cool. Bye.